Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sim, and today we're going to be making another crystal device. This time, it's something you guys probably seen on my channel before, and with sticking with the theme of everything here, I think you guys can guess what it is. Ta-da! Yes, it is a HackberryPi Zero. No, this isn't my CM4 HackberryPi, which hopefully you've already seen in this video somewhere here. This is a brand new one that I purchased with my own money just to do this project. And let's get started right after the sponsor spot. PCB way. If you want to print something cool, just like the mod we're doing in this video, you're just going to want to follow these simple steps and you can get one delivered to your house in no time. From the home page, hover over CNC and 3D printing and click on 3D printing. Drag and drop your STL files. Select your material. In this case, we're going to use resin. Click the type of resin, UTR 8100, for that transparent finish and enter your quantity and then hit submit. In no time, you'll get a quote and they'll be able to ship out your print. You'll get it and it'll be looking fabulous just like mine. Thank you to PCBWay for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to it. Okay guys, so this is brand new, fresh out of the package. Haven't done anything to it yet. And just to give you guys a quick taste, this is what we're going to be doing to it. We're going to be making it clear, or I like to say crystal. That's my whole thing. If you guys are new to the channel, I love to make my portable hacking devices or just EDC everyday items transparent. I'm a 90s kid and I just love the transparent aesthetic. I don't really like colored transparent, like some people like reds or blues or all that. I just like straight up transparent devices. This one isn't fully transparent. I made this a long time ago before anybody started making custom cases for these. Whole other story, but today I'm going to be making my HackberryPi Zero, my freshly brand new HackberryPi Zero, into my aesthetic. And I don't know if anyone else has seen it, but I am not the first one to do this, by no means. There was a person on the Discord group who made theirs transparent and put LEDs in it and all that stuff. And I gotta be honest, it's so cool and I'm a bit jelly, but I'm just not an RGB guy. I know, I said it. I'm not an RGB guy. All right, let's just take a quick look. Since this is new, I just want to verify that it actually works and that everything is in here. So, got that. Okay. Nice. I noticed that this one doesn't have the butt in here like my previous version. That's a little interesting. I'll have to look that up. I'll have to compare it to my CM4 version. Let's just turn it on and see what happens. Oh, you can see the glare. Ooh. Do we have activity? Yes, we do. I might speed this up a little bit. This is taking forever, but oh, we got something. It is booting up. It is alive. All right, we'll wait for the Raspberry Pi Zero to catch up, and we are booted up. This will be the extent of my testing. I don't like to connect a random image I got with the device to my Wi-Fi. I'll probably just set up a fresh SD card. But I know it works. We are good. I'm going to shut it down, and we are going to get to it. All right. Now that we have those out of the way, let me find a tool to get this open, and we can get to the modification. All right. So let's get these out of here. Those aside like that. I like to keep everything nice and neat because I'm weird. Let's get these batteries out of here. Let's see that peel, guys. Nice. All right.
Nice.
So I'm going to put the front on. Make sure there's no dust or dirt. It gets everywhere, so it will probably be in there. But let's turn that around. Let's get the back. Blow out any dust. Oh my God, that already looks cool. Okay. No, I don't want to thread these in too tight. I don't want to crack the plastic. I did request that these holes get threaded, so the screws should fit in here no problem. I just don't want to crack anything, so I'm going to be very gentle with this until I just feel a little bit of resistance, and then I'll stop and I'll check them. Okay guys, so I found my trusty old Klein tool screwdriver, and I'm going to use this to gently tighten them because I do see they're sticking out slightly. So I just want to make sure they're flat, but they're not too tight. If it cracks anything. Be gentle, you don't want to break the print. Okay, that one's flat. Alright, I had to go get my iFixit kit to find a bit that would actually turn the screws with the resistance of the plastic, and now that's all sorted. I'm going to get the doors for this thing. Now, let's put some batteries in here. And our battery doors, oh, they fit like glass. And there you go. I already dirtied the screen with my paw prints, but let's get this clear. And look at that, guys. Like, wow. Crystal freaking clear. With the red buttons, it contrasts so well. You can see the PCB and everything. And I kind of do like the fact that they left the battery compartment kind of hazy. I'm guessing they didn't spray the varnish in there. Kind of adds to the aesthetic. This is so cool. Let me see if I can turn her on there. Oh, that's so sick. I mean, it looks like it has RGB already with the LED up there, the LEDs down there. It looks sick. Imagine taking this out like in public and everyone's gonna be looking at you asking, what is that? What are you doing? Just gonna be like, it's a BlackBerry. Yeah. Oh, let's get this off of there. And we have a piece of plastic on the trackpad. If I can get it. Okay. So now we are booted up. Okay, was scared for a second. So now we're booted up. We are in the OS. Everything is still working. It didn't explode. If you've seen my CM4 project, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I really like the PCB way, man. Like, they just knock it out the park every time I request these weird random prints. Like, it's just amazing. Thank you to PCB Way for making this series possible. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see I have a couple more devices that I'm going to be including in this series. I just won't make videos for them. They're just small things, you know, like a Ponagachi. I've got one of these, and it's got a clear case. Well, it's going to have a clear case now. So that thing's going to be so sick. I'll just do stuff like that on social media. If you're interested, go follow me. Links will be somewhere around here. Yeah, if you guys have questions, if you want to see more about the CM4 mod that I did for this device, please check out my previous video. Like and subscribe. Comment if you think I should do something weird, fun, wacky with this thing, and let's see if we can make it happen. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Change the names. Stop playing games. Gotta change the names.